Have you ever looked at people in America and thought, how are they buying houses, nice cars, traveling everywhere? And I'm here just trying to figure out how to start. And the crazy part is, most of them didn't start rich. They started exactly like zero, just like you. No money, no connections, no special talent. So today, I'm going to break down a simple step-by-step plan on how to build wealth from zero in America, in a way that actually makes sense in real life, not those boring financial lectures. And stay till the end, because the last step is the one most people ignore, and that's exactly why they stay broke. Alright, let's start. First, understand one thing very clearly. In America, wealth is not built by working harder. It's built by doing three things correctly: earning, controlling, and multiplying money. Sounds simple, right? But most people only do the first part, earning, and then wonder why nothing changes. Now let's go step by step. Step 1. Get your first stable income. I know this sounds obvious, but listen carefully. Your first goal is not to become rich. Your first goal is to become cash flow stable. That means any job, any skill, any work that brings consistent money. It could be a part-time job, a delivery job, a basic office job, or even freelancing online. Doesn't matter. Think of it like this. You can't build a house without bricks. Income is your brick. And no, your first job is not your final identity. Even Jeff Bezos didn't start as Amazon boss. He literally started in a garage with books and boxes. So stop overthinking. Just start. Now step 2 is where things get interesting. Step 2. Control your spending. This is where most people fail. Let's be honest. In America, it's very easy to look rich and still be broke. New phone, new shoes, Starbucks every day, and bank account crying in the corner. So here's a simple rule. If you earn $100, don't try to spend $100. Try this instead. Spend $70, save $20, invest $10. At first, it feels boring, even painful, but this is where wealth quietly starts building. Let me give you a real example. Imagine two people. Person A earns $3,000, spends everything, and waits for next paycheck. Person B earns $3,000, spends $2,100, and saves $900. After 1 year, person A is still stuck, but person B has emergency savings, investment money, and options. Same income, different future. Now let's go to the part everyone loves, but also misunderstands. Step 3. Start investing early, even small amounts. People think investing means you need thousands of dollars. No. In America, you can start investing with small amounts in index funds, like S&P 500 type investments. Now imagine this. Even $100 per month invested consistently over time can grow into something serious in the long run. But here's the secret no one tells you. It's not about how much you invest, it's about how long you stay invested. Most people quit after 2 months because they expect fast results. But wealth doesn't grow like a rocket. It grows like a tree, slow but strong. Now step 4 is where things level up. Step 4. Build a second income stream. If you only rely on one income, you are always one problem away from stress. So start something small: freelancing, content creation, side business, or skill-based work. Even if it's just $200 extra per month at the beginning, it matters, because that extra money is not for lifestyle. That extra money is for investment. And now we come to the final step, the one most people ignore. Step 5. Upgrade your mindset, not just your money. This is the real difference between people who stay average and people who become financially free. In America, money is everywhere. Opportunities are everywhere. But most people are mentally trained to stay small. They think, I don't have enough. I'll start later. I'm not ready. Meanwhile, someone else with the same starting point just started anyway. And that's the truth. Wealth is not only math, it is mindset plus action. Let me say it simply. If you think like someone who earns $1,000 forever, you will stay there. If you think like someone building $100,000 future, your actions change automatically. So now, let's connect everything. Step 1. Earn something stable. Step 2. Control spending. Step 3. Invest consistently. Step 4. Build extra income. Step 5. Upgrade mindset. That's it. No magic trick, no shortcut, no secret hack. Just simple steps repeated long enough. And before you go, remember this. Most people in America are not broke because they don't earn money. They are broke because they never build a system with their money. And if you understood this video, you are already ahead of most people. Because now, you don't just want money, you understand how money actually works. And trust me, that changes everything.